In this video, you will learn how to get more impressions on Google Ads. First, increase your budget. A low daily budget can limit how often your ads are shown. If possible, raise your budget to give your ads more room to appear throughout the day. Expand keyword targeting. Add more relevant keywords to your campaign, including broach match and long tail versions. Use keyword research tools to discover high volume search terms. Broaden location targeting. Expand your geographical reach by targeting more users in different locations. Avoid overly narrow location settings unless your business is in a local area only. Improve your ad ranking. Boost your quality score by making your ads more relevant and improving your landing page experience. Consider increasing your bid to be more competitive in auctions. Use all available ad extensions. Add site links, call out and structured snippets to make your ads larger and more engaging. This can help increase your visibility and drive more impressions to your ads. Run multiple ad variations. Test different headlines and descriptions to improve its performance. Responsive search ads automatically mix and match various for better results. Target additional networks. Expand beyond search by enabling ads on Google Display Networks or YouTube to reach a wider range of audiences. Make sure your creatives are optimized for each format. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.